Hey, what's up to all you amazing educators out there? Jeremy Anderson here, and I want to take a moment and say thank you. This coronavirus has gotten everybody in a frenzy. It's made you have to pivot and make some adjustments. So I want to just say thank you for being willing to make those adjustments to do the best for our kids. I believe that this COVID-19 will not stop them from living their dreams. Nope. Because they have amazing educators like you that's willing to make adjustments to make sure that they get what they need to take them to the next level. And I want to let you all know that me and my team, our company, we are committed to servicing and adding value to you all any way possible. Now, for some of you, this time at home has been like a blessing in disguise. And then some of you, having your kids run around has been driving you crazy. I'm surprised that my house is even quiet like this. I had to threaten my daughter, be quiet while I make this video. But we're enjoying the time at home. But here's the reality. All day long, our company, we're creating more content so that we can add value to you all. So if you want to send some videos to your students, type in Next Level Students in YouTube. We've got a whole catalog of video series that can add value to them that you can send through your e-learning platform. And there are some of you schools and some districts and administrators, you might want to reach out to us and consider us creating like a custom message specifically for your district during these trying times. And to all of the engagements that have been postponed, I'll see you all at the end of the year, May, June, July, and I'm going to continue to do the work that we've been doing. Delayed is not denied. And I believe that a setback is a setup for a comeback. Have an amazing week. God bless you all. Be safe, and we'll see you real soon.